Access modifier. Today in this video we are talking about access modifier. Access modifier is a very important concept for developing the object oriented programming in any language. So what is access modifier? Access modifier is a restrict the scope of a class, constructor, variable, method or data member. For developing abstraction or many important concepts, there is a scope related to this. So for that, class, constructor, variable, method, data member, here we use access modifier. There are mainly 4 types of access modifier: public, protected, private. So private, first of all, public. The access level of public modifier is everywhere. I mean, within a package or outside any package, if it is called a public class, it can be accessed. Protected, the access level of a protected modifier is within a package and outside the package through a child class. The access level of private modifier is only within a class. The access level of a default modifier is only within the package and it cannot be accessed from outside the package. So here in this picture you can understand very easily that the private int a, there is two package, package A, package B first of all. Then package A, there are two class A, class B. In package B there are only one class C, and another class also, class D. Private int A, so as it is private, so it is only accessible in A, class A, not by class B, not class C, class D. Another int B, when it is the declaration of default access modifier. So if you don't mention anything private, protected, public, then it automatically considered as a default. So it accessible by class A and class B also. And then protected is accessible by class A, class B and class C in case it is used as a child class. The class C is used as a child class of class A. And then the public int D, so this variable D is accessible through anywhere by class A, class B, and in package B, class C and D also. So let's see an example. So make a project, new project, Java project. Next, let's name it access modifier. Okay, no need that. Go to the source section, right click on it, project. No, let's make two package 1, finish, and makes another package 2, finish. So in package 1, let's take another class A, public static void main, finish. So here we mention first public int A equals to 1, then only int, I mean this is default access modifier, B equals to 2, then protected C equals to 3, and then private D equals to 4. Okay, here we forget to mention the data type int, so int. Okay, now what happened, to access this we have to make an object. So create a obj object, name of the object obj, new obj dot, here you can see the all the public, default, protected, private, all are accessible. You can all of them here. So let's copy and change the variable name. Control S, save F11. Now you can see that all are accessible through this. Now we create another class here, that's name class B. So here also, to access the members of class A, we have to create an object of class A. Object add B, new. Now C is out. Now you can see that public, default and protected can be accessible, are only accessible. These three are accessible but not the private. If you declare a member as a private, then it cannot be accessible within another class at anywhere. So here you can copy paste those. Okay. Copy paste this, Control V, Control S, F11. Object name is not mentioned correctly, as I copy from the previous one. Control S, save. Let's continue. First of all, align it properly. Here you can see the three are accessible. Now create another package in another class in P2. Right click on package P2, go to the class, and here class C, public static void main, finish. First of all, align it properly. Okay. So here also, to access the variable, we have to make to access the member of class A, we have to make an object of class A at first, at C. So A, BJ, let's see, new. Here you can see an error because it can't identify what is A. So control space, here import the package, import package 1 class A, P1 class A. Now sys out A obj at C dot. Here you can see you can only access the public access modifier A. So to as we know before that, to access the protected to access the protected in the child class, you have to make the class as a child. So let's make it. To make a child class, we have to extend and then create. C object. Here you can see you can access both of them. Control C member, Control S, F11. Here you get the value. So I think you can understand the use of access modifier, different access modifier in different situations. It's mainly important in the concept of object oriented programming. Thank you.